Welcome back to the Tailoring Talk magazine. Roberto here with another unboxing, and I've already given it away. Yes, it's the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds, earphones, whatever you want to call them, that were released yesterday, Thursday the 13th of February. I want to unbox these really quickly, so I'm not going to go into too much depth, or any depth really, about features and so on. Just want to unbox them. We'll have a quick size comparison against the AirPods Pro 2, and then I'm going to whisk them away and test them for the next few days, and then I'll be back with another video next week to give you an in-depth review. So make sure you drop any questions about these in the comments below, and if you're enjoying our channel, please remember to like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much. So on with the unboxing. So we have a very recyclable box packaging here, which is the way that Beats have been moving. I have the Beats Studio Pro headphones, and they come in a very, very similar type of packaging here. So let's have a look at what we've got. Powerbeats Pro 2. I went to the Apple store in Regent Street in London yesterday. They only had purple and sand left. You can also get these in black and orange. I wanted the sand anyway, so good news, and purple look a bit naff, so I didn't do that. So here we go. On with the unboxing. We have the side tab. We have a little emboss of the Studio Pro 2 bud here. Just open that up, and we have our case. Now, I did have the original Powerbeats Pro, and the case was absolutely humongous. This actually straight away feels lighter, and it feels a lot smaller. Beats claim that this case is, I think it's either 20% or 33% smaller, and that definitely seems to be true from my personal experience. So these seem to be, they're still big. If you've got AirPods or AirPods Pro, these are still huge in comparison, but they feel a lot more portable for those of you that might be looking to upgrade from the original Powerbeats Pro. So just put those there just for a second. Let's just see if we've got anything else inside this case that's worth talking about. So underneath here, we have got a QR code, which gives you the complete product guide. We have a free trial of Apple Music, so that's for new customers only, unfortunately. It would be really nice if they gave that as like a credit to Apple One subscribers, and you just got some, you know, some extra months free or something on your current subscription. But there we go. We have a Beats sticker, so that's really nice because they don't put stickers in with the Apple products anymore. And then behind that, we've got the usual regulatory, boring stuff, so we don't need to worry about that. So I'm going to leave that all intact for now. Now here, you have got 5 tip choices, 5 tip sizes in the box. So I presume so we've got here extra small, small, large, XL. So they've installed the medium on the buds, but you've now got 5 size choices, which is really great news. With the original Powerbeats Pro, you only had, I think it was 3 sizes. So that's really cool. So for those of you that always have problems trying to find the right fit, that's really, really great news. You can see those sizes there. And if we just put those to the side, we can now open up the box. And these are probably going to want a pair, which I can't do right now because I'm using my phone to film this video. But there we go. They're beeping away because they're trying to set themselves up. So these have the Apple H2 chip in them, exactly the same chip as the AirPods Pro 2, which is brilliant because you get all of the AirPods Pro 2 features apart from skin detection. These do not have that feature, but yeah, there we go. So open the case. Let's just take these out of here. So again, first impression from my memory of the Powerbeats Pro, these feel much lighter, and they also feel, I guess, kind of more compact, sleeker is probably the word I'm looking for. But we see here we've got the stem, and this also, I believe, houses the microphone system. We have got some physical, we've got a physical button. It's a rocker switch for volume control. The Beats button itself is also a physical button. So presumably you can set that for play, pause, rewind, fast forward, all that sort of stuff. Then we have got our heart rate sensor here. When that's on, it will shine green. Then we've got the medium air tip installed, and then here we've got, I have no idea what that is, but I'll find out. And then we've got our contact points for the charging, and the other one is going to be the same. We have got USB-C charging here. The case does not have a U1 chip in it, so unlike the AirPods Pro, where you can use Find My to find the case, you can't do that with these. And the earbuds, I believe, the Find My feature makes a noise on the earbuds so that you can track them down. So there are some slight differences between the AirPods Pro 2 and these in terms of features, even though they have got the same chip. And then these are the AirPods Pro 2. In their case, yes, I do use a lanyard, sorry, but I'll tell you what, this little thing has saved me from losing this little thing so many times, so there we go. But there's the size comparison there. See if I can get a little bit closer. There we go. So I would say that the Beats case is more than twice the size of an AirPods Pro 2 case. So if portability is important to you, obviously this is the thing to go for. I bought these not just because I want to review them, but also because I have real problems with these falling out of my ears when I do anything that is non-static, so running, moving around, etc. These will just dislodge themselves and go flying. So I'm interested in these for working out. I most probably will keep hold of these because these are fantastic for phone calls and listening to music when I'm at my desk. But these for me are going to be earphones that I'm going to use for running and cycling. So having that security is going to be great. So yeah, there we go. There's the comparison. If I just open the case up, just do a little compare there, and you can see the difference in size. These are monstrous, but you do get over twice the playback time on battery of these with these than you do with those. The case being bigger, the battery is bigger, so you get more charges out of the case. And in testing, reviews that I've seen so far, people have said that they've actually been able to go even up to a few weeks without even having to charge this thing and plug it in, which is brilliant. I think most people that use their AirPods Pros a lot will probably be charging every 4 to 7 days. So this, you could probably get a month out of it without having to charge. So there we go. I am going to take these now, set them up, and I'm going to go and review them. If you've got any questions at all, please make sure you drop them in the comments and I'll consider those whilst I'm testing these. But again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.